Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Create with Indu Dehradun. Today I am here to show you the recipe of Malai Kofta with a healthy option. And this is on request of one of my lovely viewers, Priya Kamboj. First of all, there is a small request, please hit the like button under the video and share it with your family and friends because your one like gives me a lot of support and inspiration. And if you have already liked and subscribed, then tons of blessings to you from my side. Now we will start making the onion gravy. First of all, we will heat our cooker and add 1 teaspoon of butter along with a tablespoon of oil. For this, I will roughly chop all the ingredients and put in the cooker. The gas is full this time. We have to grind this gravy at the end, so there is no need of fine chopping. Roughly chopped onions, garlic cloves, green chili, then tomatoes. You can very easily relate it with the all-purpose झटपट मसाला रेसिपी. मैं अपना खाना जनरली ऐसे ही बनाती हूँ और खाने के टेस्ट में कहीं कोई कमी नहीं आती. खाना इक्वली टेस्टी बनता है और फटाफट बन जाता है. I will add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. I will add a handful of cashew too, just to thicken the gravy. Now close the lid. After 1 whistle, switch off the gas. Remove all the steam and open the cooker. Let it be cooled a little. Yes, this is ready. In between, we will prepare for koftas. We will mix 2 boiled potatoes and 200 grams of cottage cheese, coriander leaves, green chilies, raisins and split cashew, and we will mix it very well. I have made this cottage cheese at home. This is very easy. If you insist, I will prepare a video for this also. Now I will add 2 teaspoons of arrowroot or corn flour just for binding and half teaspoon of garam masala or whole spice powder. Now mix it again. Make a soft dough. This is ready. Okay, now we will prepare the koftas. For this, we have to grease our hands. अपने हाथ पे थोड़ा सा तेल लगाएंगे जिससे कोफ्ता जो हमारे हाथों में चिपकेंगे नहीं. हाँ, we have to add a small bit of salt in koftas too. Now I will grease my hands and start making the koftas. Softly make them, don't squeeze too much. In this way we will prepare all the koftas and then start them cooking. I will fry 6 of the koftas in oil. I will deep fry them as the traditional recipe is, and this time the heat should be medium low. Start with high flame and then make it medium low. Stir them very softly. These are very soft koftas, so deal with them very carefully. Now turn them around. The heat is medium low, they will cook softly. In between, I will heat my paniara tawa on full heat. It's a cast iron tawa and takes a few drops of oil to cook anything in it. Very healthy. It will take a little time to heat as it is heavy. Then grease it with a little oil. Now lower the heat and keep all the remaining koftas in it. There are actually 7 only. Good. And then cover it and cook it on medium-low heat. These koftas are ready, which are frying in the kadahi. I'll take them out on a tissue paper just to absorb the excess oil. That was the traditional method for frying the koftas, but this is new method, you can say, the healthy way of eating malai kofta. In a little bit of oil you can shallow fry these koftas. Very small amount of oil is absorbed in these koftas. So if you are health conscious, then cook them like this only. Now the gravy is cooled. We will grind it in a mixer and make a fine paste. Then strain it with a strainer. Just to remove the tomato skin and seeds and make it a fine gravy. Now these koftas are also ready. Switch off the gas. Yes, these are ready. आप इन्हें ऐसे भी खा सकते हो, चाय के साथ खाओ, बहुत टेस्टी हैं. A tasty snacks recipe. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. For tempering, add 2 tablespoons of oil of your choice. Add a bay leaf, 4 cloves and 4 peppercorns, 1 broken black cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon, and let them fry, and add the fine onion curry. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of whole spices powder, garam masala. Stir it well. These spices might be added earlier before curry paste, but I added them right now just to prevent their burning. The taste will remain the same. Let it cook for another 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat. And now it's done. The shiny gravy is ready. Add 5 teaspoons of fresh cream or ghar ki malai to create a creamy texture. But this is also optional if you don't want to make it heavy, oily, then avoid this step, no problem. This time add half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. This will create a Mughalai taste. Yummy. Now add half teaspoon of whole spices powder or garam masala. I am preparing two separate plates for both types of koftas. Just to check the taste. And surprisingly, both are equally tasty. There is no difference between two koftas. Then why not go for the healthy option of this Paniyaram Tawa koftas? Garnish the plate with green coriander leaves and they are ready. Now the another plate. These are deep fried koftas. I will switch off the gas now. I will pour the gravy on the koftas and garnish them with green coriander leaves, and they are also ready. You can also add some fresh cream on the ready plate for a beautiful look, but this is optional. This is up to you. And these malai koftas are ready. This is your choice. You want the fried one or the shallow fried or steamed one. Friends, I have given my most valuable time in creating this video, so please do try this recipe and give me your reviews in the comment section. I am waiting for them. So enjoy this recipe and be healthy. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye bye.